In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see or view your network data usage on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Open that up. On the left panel, select network and internet. And then on the right side, go down to the bottom where it says advanced network settings. And then select under more settings where it says data usage. And then it'll give you your usage from the last 30 days up at the top. You can see and search by which processes and applications are using the most. You can enter in a data limit if you want, as well as you can change the filter period, whether it's 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days to see what's taking up the most over any given period of time. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.